What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode
of Sunday Funday.
Yeah, Sunday Funday.
That's it.
Today's gonna be kind of eventful. We're going to Old Town. It's a town within a town. So it's in Kissimmee, but it's like a place where people go to like hang out and stuff like that. Like they got front spot and shit. So yeah, we're gonna be over there doing that. I'm gonna get a POV of everybody driving over there, and just gonna have a little fun today. So let's see what today brings. If you guys are new to the channel, thank you for subscribing. Stick around for some more epic shit. Alright, I'm telling you, it's gonna be dope. The car is very dirty actually, so hopefully I get it cleaned and everything in time to head out. So you guys can see, look at that. Oh my god, filthy. Filthy, filthy. She's a filthy animal, I'm telling you. She's looking good, guys. She is looking good. All right. Well, everybody seems like they're ready. I think we're gonna go eat somewhere. So, yeah.
Yo, just run real quick. Oh shit. Run! Oh my god.
Drive 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee.
Nah, man.
Yes.
You gonna get a post office job or what? No, then you're a donk, right-hand drive.
Yeah, oh my god, a right-hand drive donk. Oh.
Town, baby, Old Town. About to get some damn
checkers first, though. Yo, I got some to solve your issues, dog.
Let me see. I want to go wide body, so I'm just gonna cut it. Use it as an excuse. What the fuck?
Yeah, no, you're gonna like this. Just put it on there. Squeeze down. Press down. No.
Oh hell!
Press down. Now lift it up. Lift this up. No, nigga. I'm saying.
Isn't that from the tripod?
Oh, okay, I got you.
Limited. That's
Damn, nigga.
T-H-O-N-S. Oh! That should actually work.
Oh shit! Hey, no, now you want to take it?
So we got the lineup here.
I'm missing a car, but
Everybody's.
hopefully it won't show.
Yeah, right. All the guys over there.
Funday gang.
We chilling. We out here. Anthony's car, full K20. Oh man, I'd love to own one of these. This thing is sick. God damn. Is that a fucking Supra?
Is that a Supra?
Yo, is that a fucking Supra?
Ultra VIP with the painted drum brakes.
Yo, you see that? Bro, painted drums. Oye, pero ese es un SI.
No base model.
Hey, with the quad exhaust tips.
Pero loco, eso es un 4 cilindros. Damn, that 14's fire. So is that SDK. I think it's nice. Yo, for some reason, all your videos always get hella views.
No, man, it's not me, it's the cars.
my dude.
How's it drive?
I gotta recalibrate the TPS again.
Faster than the K?
Yo, I took it for a pull. It might be.
No.
We got Kenny. We got Rich. The Euro R. And the Type R.
What is this? Like, is this a credit card reader for when everybody wants to pay again? Damn. Y'all like the seats? The seats look good.
Let's just slide out, man.
The whole squad is parked up. About to get some food truck. This fucking guy. Me and Rich with the white EK, the white Cosees, and the Kevlar lip. We are gonna, me, him, and Mario. We're gonna take pictures tonight.
Oh, I'm not invited?
You're not fast enough, that's the thing.
Yeah, your shit's fucking too slow.
Put that on the vlog, nigga. Put this on the vlog, nigga.
We'll manhandle you, bro. I'm gonna tell your girl to manhandle you, dog. You know that?
I'll beat y'all both, all three of y'all. Okay, even
all
with
three, man?
all three of y'all.
Who's the other person? Is me and
You,
that'll
Hendrix,
manhandle you.
and
Oh my
fucking
God.
and
Mario?
407 Films, Mario. I will beat both of y'all, all three of y'all.
God.
I'll take all
He
y'all.
talks a lot, guys.
That's messed up.
Just can't get enough of this lineup. And my girl actually looks good. Every once in a while she looks good, you know? Still gotta clean up a little bit. Missed a couple spots on the wheels that the brush couldn't get. Yes, I know some of you guys cringed because I said brush.
It's your boy, NSKDC2 reporting live from the world of food trucks right now.
This guy's drunk, guys. That's why he's holding his side.
I am not. I am not.
Alright, bro.
Reporting live.
We out here, Lake Eola. We got our photographer taking pictures. We got the whips right here, looking real good. His is all the way over there. You getting some good angles, dog?
Trying.
Damn. We looking fresh, homie. Like that ass. Look at that, bro. Your shit's like high def when you're wearing those. Look at them cheeks, dog. Hey.
Remember this night?
Yeah, when my shit was still decently clean.
When it had the all-white bumper?
Yeah, exactly.
Damn, I like the way the clouds look in these pictures.
Yeah. Got the man with the plan. Working his magic as always. At 407 Films, guys. Hit this dude up if you guys want some pictures and you guys are in Central Florida. Hit him up. He does some dope ass shots. Whenever we do a photo shoot, this is the guy right here. Super high def. You happy, huh?
Man, it looks good.
It does. I hope you guys had a great night. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys aren't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. There's gonna be plenty more of this. And yeah, if you guys like the video, leave a thumbs up. If you don't, leave a thumbs down. Let me know what I can do to improve it for you guys, because this is for you guys. And I just noticed I hit 4,000 subscribers on YouTube. Thank you very much to everybody who has supported my channel, and thank you for subscribing yet again. I love you guys, and yo, I'll see y'all next time. Deuces, one love.